Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley at MarineMax Grand Lake. Today we're standing on the 2023 Crest Classic 220 Platinum. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. So making our way up to the bow, as you can see, one of the main features is going to be your upgraded upholstery option. You're going to have some nice diamond stitching, which is really going to elevate the look of this boat. You're going to have a great amount of storage underneath here. It's all really open, give you some good ventilation under the seat, reduce the mildew. Also up here at the bow, you're going to have a set of speakers with LED lighting, as well as cup holders and a phone charger. Standing here, you have your upgraded flooring option. This is your vinyl flooring. It's going to make it really easy to clean up messes while you're out on the water. Underneath this seat, you're going to have a dedicated cooler area, keep you from taking up any additional storage or space with a carry-on cooler. Up here at the helm, you're going to have a beautiful wraparound fiberglass helm. This is also elevated, which is going to give you a nice view over the bow of this boat at the captain's seat. Also going to have a Lowrance Hook 5 digital dash, which gives you navigation as well as some fishing features. Also going to have a wireless charger as well as your cooled captain's cup holder. Put your drink in there and a flip of the switch, you'll have a cooled cup. This boat also comes equipped with Fusion audio, which is seen in Crest, as well as our ultra high-end brands such as Sea Ray. And making our way back to the aft area, you're going to have some aft-facing loungers here. Going to really maximize your seating capacity with these long benches. Also, like the bow, you have some nice storage underneath. And for propulsion, you have a Mercury 115 horsepower. It's going to be plenty of power for this 22-foot Crest. And back here at the rear, you have a nice swimming pool ladder design with dual handles, which makes it really easy to access in and out of the boat. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax today. Thank you.